On November 10th, in the sunshine, with the breeze, I got pictures of leaves blowing. I always try to get some during the course of the fall. Some years I can get some pictures of them falling out of the trees. This year I didn't get any of that. But blowing along the ground, they look pretty cool. So I got a picture. On the 11th, the remnants of Hurricane Nicole were heading towards Providence. So it was gray, but it was warm. And so a couple of the painted turtles were out on the turtle log. One of the red-tailed hawks was sitting in a tree, just kind of passing the time. I've never seen mushrooms on this tree before, but this is quite the display of mushrooms.